Hi guys, welcome to Ideas Only. Today we are here with the latest football transfer news by the European top football clubs. To know who are the Europe top clubs searching for and whom are they interested in, stay tuned with us.
Like a Hellcat.
The summer transfer window is opening in the last days of July and will continue till the start of October. The Europe's top managers are looking to strengthen their squads. The likes of Manchester City, Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, and Barcelona are signing new talents in the areas of their weakness. Chelsea is reported to have already signed Timo Werner and Hakim Ziyech for 64 million and 40 million euros respectively. Timo Werner is centre forward from the German club RB Leipzig and the German national football team, while Hakim Ziyech is Moroccan international recently playing as a right-wing forward for the Dutch club Ajax at the age of 27. Moreover, Chelsea is also looking to sign the German midfielder Kai Havertz for 70 million euros. Kai Havertz is currently playing for the German club Bayer Leverkusen. He is 21 years of age and has scored 17 goals and provided 9 assists this season. The La Liga points table leaders Real Madrid have also joined the race to sign German from Bayer Leverkusen. Chelsea are reported to have prepared to confirm the deal for up to 90 million euros. EPL most recently dominant club Manchester City are also in touch with Bayern Munich's left back David Alaba amid interlinks. The Pep Guardiola side is lacking in performance and consistency at the left side of the defense. Alexander Zinchenko's struggling position and Benjamin Mendy's inconsistency are less than enough to stop EPL lethal strikers. Both of them are unable to be named among the praised partners of Pep Guardiola's brilliant strategy. David Alaba is expected to fill the greatly observed hole in the City's defense. Manchester City will have to pay 65 million euros for the Austrian fullback, who turned 28 last month. Meanwhile, Inter Milan is also reported to be linked with David Alaba's contract. Manchester City are also reported to be linked with Adama Traore's contract this summer amid Liverpool and Juventus talks. The 24-year-old Spaniard has a market value of 89 million euros. Adama Traore began his career with Barcelona, appearing mainly for the reserves. In 2015, he signed for Aston Villa and a year later Middlesbrough, before joining Wolverhampton Wanderers in August 2018. He spent a shining season at Wolves, scoring 4 goals and providing 9 assists in the current EPL season. Another confirmed news is Leroy Sané's potential transfer from Manchester City. Leroy Sané has been signed by Bayern Munich for an amount of 54 million euros in the previous month. He has joined Bayern Munich until June 2025 and has been assigned number 10 shirt. The shirt number indicates that German giants expect a Robben and Ribery-like performance from Leroy Sané. Will he be capable of delivering such performance? Sané's number 10 shirt indicates that Felipe Coutinho's future in Bayern Munich is at risk. Felipe Coutinho was signed by Spanish club Barcelona from Liverpool in 2018 after his golden career at Anfield for an amount of 142 million euros, but was unable to make a permanent place in Barcelona's starting 11. He was offloaded to the Bayern Munich for 1-year loan at the start of the season and will return at the end of the season. But he has still not considered to be a part of Quique Setien's future squad. The Catalans have offered the Brazilian to Arsenal and Watford for a release clause of 98 million euros. Barcelona are keen to put Felipe's transfer fee in hands of Inter Milan for signing Lautaro Martinez. The Argentinian is on the top of Catalan's wish list and are consistently in talks with Inter for a reasonable release clause. The Argentinian centre-forward may be a possible replacement for Barcelona's number 9 Luis Suarez. That was all from summer transfer news this year. Can Manchester United win the race for Jadon Sancho? Can Liverpool get the services of Claudio Koulibaly? Can Milan stop Ibrahimovic from departing? Will Raul Jimenez join Liverpool this year? For answers to all these questions, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.